Hello my loves, it's Naya. Welcome back to another video. I'm currently sitting outside of my beauty supply store because I'm about to get some hair for back to school. It's currently Monday. This time next week I'm gonna be in class. I've already made my list and everything. I'm excited. I'm trying a new style. I am trying a closure quick weave. If you can see, this quick weave is on its last, okay? And I didn't want to have any leave out anymore since I'm going to be in the gym more consistently. I just didn't feel like, straightening it all the time. Plus, why not try something new? I've seen people talking about a 2x6 closure, but I don't know if I can just do 2 inches. I guess it is more maintainable. How much is 2 inches? Does anyone else think like this? This is where it would end. Obviously, like, it would be up here if they even have a 2x6. Honestly, I've never looked for closures, so let me go look for them. Yeah, let's go. Here is the cap with the whole bundles. At first I was losing a little bit of hope because I'm like, did I do this right? But I did it right. I followed the steps of those who said that they did it right, that that's the quote-unquote right way to do it. But when I was taking it out, I'm saying like, what's wrong with this woman? Dad.
Yes, baby.
What's for dinner?
Oh my goodness, princess, I don't know. What did you prepare? Alright, I got some salmon that
yeah, and then I finally realized I did it right because the whole cap, like, this is honestly so satisfying. Y'all don't know how many times I've done quick weaves, quick weave half up, half down, and I'm taking out this small portion back here, and I didn't, mind you, I didn't do it right. My hair broke off so bad. It feels like a trophy almost. I'm watching His and Hers. I'm on the first episode. I'm about 20 minutes in. I'm also watching Scandal right now too. Y'all watch these shows so we can talk about it. I'm about to put in my deep conditioner, if you care. Yeah, this is cute. My hair just feels like soft. Mind you, I shampooed it. It doesn't feel dry. If my curl pattern actually stayed like this, I would wear my hair out more often. Because it's like, I need to get used to that. Wearing my hair in its natural state. At the same time, I've had my fair share with that. So sometimes I just be kind of over it. Like, literally quarantine, I was in my hair bag. I was like trying different styles of like wash and goes. I was actually like wearing it out. Then I got into braid outs and my hair grew too much. Like, I would just need to cut like these pieces for real. What are we thinking? This is so cute. Alright, it is now the next day and I did my braid out and everything already. I took out my quick weave. That was such a process, you guys. Let me give you guys a haul of what I got at the beauty supply store. I don't know if I told you guys, I'm doing a closure. I got the Organique body wave. This is in 14, 16, and 18 inches. I believe last time I got up to like 22 or 24 inches, something like that. But I wanted to go a little bit shorter just so I can, maintain it a little better. And I got this in the color 2. I really like the color 2. The closure that I got, this is the closure that I got. They didn't have it in like color 1B or color 2. This is the color natural. So y'all, I was in the beauty supply store for a minute. I was on TikTok looking at what closures to use. I was going in there under the pretense that they had the Organique with the closure, but they didn't have it. So trusting my gut. Yeah, I'm doing middle part, cutting some layers. This is supposed to be so cute, y'all. So cute. I got 2 wig caps. I got a black one And then I got a beige one. I also got a rat tail comb. You could never have too many of these. I got bleach and developer. Along with that, I also got the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. I've been wanting to get this for the longest because this is what I see everybody use for their wigs to put on the stocking, and I just always end up using like concealer or something, like a concealer that's close to my shade. This even is a little dark. Like I look light, maybe like this, but who cares? It's my scalp. Nobody's really gonna see. Then I got the black Eben spray. Since it's a 2x6, I'm only doing like 2 inches worth of lace. So I was not about to buy, you know, wig glue is $16.99. I was expecting it to be like $8.99. Plus I have 2 bottles of the red, I believe it's the red Eben. It's a red bottle of lace. No! Of wig glue that I've had for a long time. I have 2 bottles. I'm about to use the rest of whatever is in that. I'm gonna make it work, and it's going to work. Lastly, I got some more protectant. I got a small bottle. I got some more glue. I have to pick up my brother in about an hour. So instead of starting my hair, I'm going to do some editing first. I still have a vlog that it's just kind of sitting in my CapCut. I'm like, do I even want to post this anymore? But I'm not letting the enemy win, and I'm gonna post it. I just be procrastinating, like. Hey guys, so it's actually Friday right now. I forgot the last time I checked in with y'all, maybe Monday or Tuesday, but update, here is the hair. I'm loving it. The middle part is so tea. I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to last while I'm in the gym too, and I hope that everything is just, it stays comfortable. I don't want it to ever get uncomfortable. I've been trying not to think about how I'm gonna remove this because this is quite literally like a quick weave wig. I glued this wig onto my head, and I did my lashes too. Hold on. Wow. I want to show you guys up close the lashes. I tried these new lashes. If you've heard of VI's Beauty on TikTok, I used their lashes, the bunny lashes. I tried something new, and I stacked them with some other lashes as well, and I tried a new lash pattern, so everything is new. Like I put a shorter one. I ended my eye with a shorter length and then kept a longer length so that it really snatches my eye up, because I'm really learning my eye shape. I'm trying to learn what's really gonna have it like that cat eye. Just wanted to catch y'all up on that. Right now I am looking for a nail design because I have been procrastinating on my nails. I don't know why, but they feel like a chore now. I have to figure out what nail design I want to do. I want to keep it kind of short, I will say that, and I want to do pink, like a light pink. I'm thinking I really like mixing it up and doing different designs. Usually I only do solid colors, but since I have the time and I'm in the right place, you know, I'm at home, not in a stressful school environment, why not take the time to do something like this? Just mixing it up with the design. I like the polka dot design. That's really simple and easy to do. I might even redo my toes depending on how I'm feeling, because now this just looks so cute. What if I do a light pink, right? And then do a darker pink over top. Or I was thinking about doing blue cow, like a cow pattern. have finished my nails, but before I show you guys my nails, I just want to give a disclaimer. I went a little rogue on what I said I initially wanted to do. I know I said I wanted to do short pink, and they're short, but they're not pink. I wanted to play around with some fun design. Here is what they look like. This is what the right hand looks like, but I still have some gel and stuff. I use my blooming gel for that pattern, and then also for this one, and then did a little zebra type of stripes. Then on this hand, it's pretty much the same thing, a little different. I think I like this hand a little better too because of the French tip. I really like the black French tip, and I just put a cute little star on the thumb. This is so cute. And I really like doing this because it was just an outlet, like something I could just randomly put all my little doodles on. This was so fun. This bright of a color is a little new to me, but I'm liking it. I even want to do, I'm thinking about redoing my toes, thinking about doing it this like milky green color underneath. Because right now they're like this like coral red. I don't know, that's only if I'm feeling like it. Why did I just pull an all-nighter? It's like 5 a.m. and I'm tired, but I'm not tired. I'm going to get a coffee. I really just be excited to wake up and drink my coffee in the morning. It's Saturday, basically like 1 a.m. and I do want to get to my dorm fairly early. Like, when I say fairly early, I mean like noon, 1. I don't want to cross too much into like the later hours. I don't know what time it's about to snow because we're actually expecting a snowstorm and they already canceled school on Monday. I just have to prepare for that since I am driving back. I'm so happy too because they said we can move our cars to garages, and the garage is closer to my dorm, so I don't have to be walking nowhere. But then again, I'm not going to be going anywhere, so I'm so tired. I'm running off an all-nighter and caffeine, so I'm just going to pack pretty much what I can. I'm not too pressed right now about making sure anything is like too specific, and packing, it's not super hard to me. The hard part is remembering everything to pack, or it would be figuring out how to pack everything in an efficient manner, because you know I'm all about efficiency. I'm not trying to be carrying up 15 different bags if I only have to carry up 2. Okay, so I basically have everything packed. It's just all not packed. All my shoes are right here. Here I have all of my makeup products. And then over here are just other like appliances, like miscellaneous stuff that I'm gonna bring back. There are my clothes over there. Here's some clothes on top. From what I know, I've washed all my clothes. I just have a little bit of dirty clothes left. I might either put that in a separate bag and put it in my suitcase, or just go ahead and wash it. My goal is to be up by 10 tomorrow. I need my sleep for real. I need to make sure that I also bring all of my jewelry back with me. I have some rings that are downstairs. I just need to do little nitpicking things. I got these body roller perfumes. I'm gonna put that in my little pouch of mini travel size perfumes. I love them. I love collecting the travel size because you can literally just put it in your purse. Designer perfume anywhere, y'all. And especially like if I'm gonna be going to class and stuff, and since I'm moving throughout the day. Actually, let's smell this, because what does a Sublime Rose even smell like? Ooh. Tory Burch has really good scents, and this is unique, but it smells grown. It smells really good. So here are the scents that I'm bringing. 4 of them, right? I'm contemplating if I want to bring this Ed Hardy one. It smells so good, but there's actually more than I thought there was. It's because the bottom makes it look like it's smaller, but that's how much is left. Maybe I will bring it. I think I will. Look at this necklace. It's so pretty, right? My parents got it for me for Christmas. I have yet to open it. I know I'm wearing silver right now, but I genuinely love me some gold jewelry. Like, gold is my thing. So is silver. Gold is just, look at that. That's so cute. And I'm honestly just gonna wear it with both because who's gonna stop me? Oh my gosh, hey you guys. Update. So I am pretty much all done packing. I'm saying pretty much I'm done packing. I just have my vision board that I'm gonna bring. I'm bringing a lot of stuff, I'm not gonna lie. And it got to a point where I was just like, yeah, this is just gonna have to come as is. I don't care about making it all cutesy and fitting it in a suitcase, even though my suitcase is pretty large too. And then of course my personal, like my school bag and stuff. Yeah, I'm excited to go back. I am going back to my life. I'm so happy. Although I really did enjoy this break. Like, I'm at a healthy spot in between, ready to go back, and I enjoyed this break. It was so relaxing. I really just got to chill, not worry about a thing. It was so good. Like, it was genuinely a break from school. Y'all, when I tell you I didn't open Elm's canvas not once, other than a couple days ago, to check on what my professors are already posting. Have the nerve to send us out an email, babes. You don't even know me yet. You've never even seen my face yet, but you're telling me to save the date. Okay. All my bags. That has all like my beauty and cosmetics. That has my, this has my, really just a whole bunch of random stuff. I wasn't even gonna bring this book bag, but I needed something to put this stuff in. Mom, do you think I'm bringing a lot of stuff? Yes. Womp womp. I need to bring my vision board too. Hey guys, we're back. Hey. Got some Chipotle, got some McDonald's cookie. So good, so bomb. And now I started, oh.
Hey, you're not serious.
We got Safani back here. I just have to unpack. That is the end of this vlog. Perfect timing because my camera is actually about to die as well. So if it, y'all know why. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.
Hi. Deuces. Toodles. Matter because it eats so much.
Wait, Safani, show them your hair. Shafani, show them your hair.
Hey guys,
The half, yeah. Ice. What was you about to say? Huh? What was you about to say?
What was you about to say? What? What you looking for?
Say it live on 4K for the gram.
You're halfway. Oh, I let it put in the bags. Did I leave it in the car? Please swear to God. Wait. We'll be back at 2. Wait. Don't laugh.
That's okay though, because you can just braid it. You can just braid it up and do it when you go home.
Did you pull it out? Did it fall in the car? That's what I'm saying. Like, wait.